There's no stopping them now.
No, they're getting all of the... They're getting all the balls out.
Yeah.
There's more down there, you guys.
Go on.
That smells.
Go on. I hope they don't get rashes from it, too. Because he's got fish and stuff in there.
He does?
Yeah. That was just because. That was just because. Just because we can.
There she goes again. Willow loves it.
Go on. Go on, Willow.
It's Abs.
That's Abs down there.
No, that's Willow. That's so gross. Abby's actually retrieving things.
She got the last ball.
Oh my gosh, did you see how she just ran around that?
Yeah.
Good girls! You got them all! If that water was clean, I'd throw the bulbs back in there.
Yeah.
Now I don't want to let them in the house. Now they need baths.
Yeah. They're just playing now.
Look at Abby smile.
Yeah. Yeah, she is, isn't she?
Yeah. Go get her, Willow. Go get her, Willow. Oh.
This is gonna be bad.
Yeah, it really is. It's like there's a trampoline in there.
Yeah.
I really need to pump that out.
Yeah. Slipped in it. Can you imagine if it was full of water? It'd be great. Now you stink.
Yeah.
To high heaven.
I love how we had to shut the door because I knew that they would just jump on us.
Well, look at her. She's having a blast. Maybe they're done.
Nope. They're not.
No.
They're both thinking about it, you can tell.
Yeah.
Yep, there she goes.
Well, you gotta see this. The dogs discovered the water in the bottom of the pool.
Yeah. You did.
Huh?
You did.
The dogs discovered the water in the bottom of the pool. So they keep going down there and running through it and swimming. Can you hear them? Yeah. Sweet Abby.
She's so cute.
She's trying to get up.
Yes, she's trying to get up from the side. Oh, we need the pool fixed. Okay.